pressure, raising up your blood pressure. Rob a motherfucker for wearing some Josie leather. Kill you for a fashion statement. Doom shopping trendsetters on my obituary. Right 186 in big letters. This the shit your kids yelling. Devil smoke. Inhale it, got the drugs. Email it. You telling cops details to your car. Get detailed. Use a pussy asshole. Just thought that you should know that stone is still the Billy Goat. Holocaust. Got the rope. I'm pouring acid on our foes. Black magic out the door. 44, 22. No 111. Bitches 186 or 187. 211s in your bullshit is too depressing. Chain smoking bitch, stepping with a fully loaded automatic weapon for protection. Niggas where I'm living don't use their hands no more. And these crimes that they committed got me not forgiving nobody. Niggas good riddance to my casket clothes.
Stack my fatty, I nothing better fools know when I'm around. I never let a bitch ass live. I talk that shit, we getting down. Yeah, ho, never slipping. Fuck the bow, I'm 40 sipping. Can't be posted the pigs patrolling. I'm on a sick one, busting missions. I ain't tripping on no consequence. I knew the cost to be a G.
Good morning, friends. It's good to be here. The volume's been low. The market's been slow. There hasn't been any gas behind any moves, right? Finally, we have someone decides to make a move, and so there's definitely going to be some opportunities arising. Definitely some opportunities are going to be arising. I'm not done getting ready yet. Just woke up. Like I said, my coffee's still being brewed. But we are out here. Let's take a look-see here. Official whale crew entry was actually 10,490. 10,490. You know, we'll take it. We'll take it. Sprinkle a little bit on top. Did a little sprinkle. Was able to sprinkle at a decent time. You know, I say market Cipher, especially when you're talking about the 5-minute blue waves, even 15-minute, when things are dead and there's no power behind, there's no volume. It's really just like baseball. You're just, and it's like being able to hit every ball. Sometimes you're still going to have foul balls. It's okay. Eventually, you're going to crack the homer. This 15-minute, the 15, you know, last night we entered. What happens in the whale crew stays in the whale crew, but I can share. We entered a scalp last night. I believe it was on this one right here. It was like this one, or it went up to 55. No, that wasn't it. Oh, here, it was this one right here, I'm pretty sure. Oh, darn it. Now, where is it? Right here. Entered in, right in this candle. Got in at like 106.09. And it only went up like $50. And then dropped back down. I was like, fuck this. I'm going to bed. I exit the position. And so, I am human. So people say, if anyone ever says CryptoFace never talks about his losses or his bad trades, they are lying to you. They are lying, because I entered a scalp trade last night in the whale crew. Did not exit when it went up 50, 60 bucks. I wanted to go to like higher, and I didn't really trust the market. I didn't trust that scalp trade to go to sleep on. I'm already in, you know, this long. We've been in this long, and so I took a loss, went to bed, apologized to my whale crew, and we lived to fight another day. And so the point is even when machine is perfect, a forklift will always forklift. But sometimes the human operating the forklift can be an asshole once in a while. Let's take a look, see here. Yes, the indicator. I do sell the indicator. It is in the description. We're probably going to extend the zombie special for like the next week. If you don't follow that analogy, I'll go back to baseball. Having market Cipher is like playing baseball, but your coach is pitching you the ball. Even though your coach is throwing you the ball, so you should be able to hit everyone, sometimes you'll still foul it, you know, or get a base hit. Looking at the 2-day, curving off here. Daily, super bullish right here on the daily. Not only are we pinching off, I mean, this was the bottom. This was the bottom. I'm telling you, folks. If you're not long, you're wrong. We're dipping under the green transaction flow. The flow is coming back. Zooming in, we always zoom in to the, oh, my coffee's ready. All right, so what we were saying is, so on the daily, right, what we want to know here. Let's see something here. Can I get a double check? Can I get a mic check? Mic check on the volume figure. How's our volume figure right now? You guys can hear me okay? Music ain't too loud. All right. Hang on. All right, music's not too loud. It's faint in the background, but still gets the juices flowing. All right, anyways. So what we're trying to figure out here, folks, is we want to have this wave continue. Again, we want to see this flow reverse. We already have indications that it is reversing. So we're going to go into the next time frame on the 12-hour. This is where, again, we have our 12-hour green dot that is printed. This is the first time in 6 months that this 12-hour green dot has printed on Cipher B. Last time was 3,400. We all know what happened after that. Transactions have stopped going down. They are now going sideways, potentially up. Our VWAP oscillation is on the up and up. Looking good, looking good. The smoothed double RSIs are both going up. Going to the 8-hour. This is the third time the green dot is printed on the 8-hour this year. This indication happens once every 4 months. It's a little loud. Boy, oh boy. I believe that eventually we're going to have this upward movement. It's going to take a break somewhere. And you'll see we're going to form a trigger wave. And that is going to be the major move. But I could be wrong. You know, it goes up. The price goes up from anchor waves. We are going out of the red. We are into the neutral zone. The volume weighted average oscillation is fighting. It is fighting. It is bullish. This looks like a little Chinese trumpet, and it's blowing its horn. It's blowing its horn. My guess is we still dance at least from the 10,007s, 10,600s on up. If I see 10,600, I'm probably going to long it again, sprinkle on top. Let's go to the next time frame. Let me take a sip of my coffee here. My breath stinks right now. I just woke up. For those of you that are just joining us, we're 550K long. We've had bigger trades. We've had smaller. We've had bigger. This is kind of like, is what it is. We got wide-eyed snake eyes. I don't know if I would. Oh, I guess we can call it snake eyes if we move it together, but we do have snake eye green dots on the 6-hour green dots. These green dots are nothing to joke with, guys. It's been a long time since we've printed these green dots on the larger time frames. For those of you that don't know, these green dots indicate bottoms. Look, boom, green dot, bottom. See ya right here, green dot. It was a bottom. It went up, $800-900. Green dot, bottom. See ya. Green dot, bottom. See ya. Going to the 4-hour. Obviously, we just had a pump here. Excellent long indication for those of you that are new to this channel that have no idea what the hell we're looking at. When we see a big wave, this is our anchor wave. We see a smaller wave. White cuts into the blue. Long right here. Bang. Move our mouse up. If you were going off the 4-hour, you would have wanted to long. You would have been able to get in on this candle. You had 4 hours to get in from 9,400 to 9,900, and you would have been sitting very pretty right now. Let's go to the 3 hour. Same thing. Could have let it confirmed. Could have gotten in from 9,100 to 9,700. See ya. Beautiful yellow X right here. Yellow X. Warning. Whales are at play. Most of the time it means that there is a dump on the way. Bang. Yes, Market Cipher is on a 20% off. It's 0.08 for Market Cipher. Bitcoin price is going up. That means probably the price is going up in hindsight, the dollar value. Don't sleep on it. Let's go to the hour. This is a rather pretty trigger wave right here. Boom, you have your anchor. Boom, you have a nice little trigger wave. White cuts into the blue. Let it confirm maybe. Could have gotten in. From, we'll even say 10,300 all the way up to 10,500. Sitting pretty. I've been trading since the second grade crypto, maybe about 2 years. 2.5 years. Now, in this low volume kind of area, things start getting a little more jagged. They get a little more jagged. Technically, this is like a head and shoulders sort of on the 45 minute, a weird one, and it like plays out in the same candle, arguably. Yeah, so you gotta want to add a little bit of being extra careful, be a little more careful when the volume figure is a little weird. Shout out to the whale crew for banging these trades. Let's see if we got any new. Let's take a look. See here. We got some new profit logs. Let's take a look at some of the profit logs that have been posted for the past day. Alright. We got people of all shapes and sizes. First day of trading, testing Market Cipher. He's got himself a little $50 trade. Gold Digger. This guy's joined for like a day and he just keeps posting new profit logs. Every trade. Is this the guy that said he's like 6-0 or 5-0 on trades? Damn, we have a lot of profit logs here, folks. 24 hours of trade with Market Cipher. Here we go. Here's Gold Digger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like he's got 8 winning trades and maybe 2 trades that went backwards. But he is far ahead. Just looking at the numbers, he is far, far, far ahead in profit. Way to go, dude. Good job. Good job, dude. Mod Rage says, I'm a professional surfer. And he's riding these waves. This guy says he's thinking of printing this out and framing it like a business does with its first dollar bill. It's not much, but it's like only the beginning. Totally true. You wouldn't be the first one who has quit their job and stuff like that. 2 last shorts, 8 trades from 8 trades positive. I don't know what that. This guy has a little bit of a problem, spelling problem, but he's winning trades. Hey, you might not be able to spell English perfectly, but you can trade with Market Cipher. Bear Defiance. Boom, this looks like a long from 10,196. Closed it at 10,521. That's 1.25 Bitcoin right there. Made himself 10K. Way to go. Taking it slow, playing it safe after making a few mistakes. Fresh start up 10% in a week. Way to go. Mostly taking profits much sooner than I usually do. Big lesson there. Taking profits sooner than you usually do is a big issue that a lot of people have. That is why I am a big advocate for being at least a 2-account trader. Having one account ain't gonna get the job done. You gotta have 2 accounts, or else your greed will gridlock you. Greedlock you. This guy says, say no to flopping, say no to groping. He loves his Market Cipher. One more Urban Farmer. Way to go. Let's check out some Teslamonials. Looks like we got some new Teslamonials here. My first trade after my Market Cipher was set up, I caught the bullish divergence on the MC indicator. 20% profit so far. I'm very happy with the results so far. Thank you, CryptoFace and team who put this together. This shit is legit. Thanks, Rago. Good job, dude. Alright, this dude posted, this message is especially for the whiners, and mopers. We all spare with our cash. What we feel brings us value. You've seen the profits. Here's an example of someone who's already had a winning trade in place, yet Cipher was worth the money. Below is the exact reason why. More than making me money, if it saves me time and agony of sitting through chops, it's money well spent, for me at least. Trade my indicator X was granted now. I would have played with you and get the same result. Okay, so this guy already has experience trading. He's saying Market Cipher's like giving him better confidence and better entries than the indicators he already has. So right here he says, bought here this morning before Market Cipher sign up complete this afternoon. Then he says, at the very least, Market Cipher will save me all day bagging wait for it to go up log quite back in the day. And then he sold up here. All right. Anyways, proof's in the pudding. We got some red X's filled with red squares on the 1 minute. The 1 minute is actually rather accurate in depicting like the next little moves. I mean, look, what did we say? What do we say about these red X's filled with the red squares? Super bearish, super bearish. When one of those prints, very high chance the price is going down, and look, it has. And we're just on the 1 minute, the most difficult time frame for any indicator to handle. What day is it today? Saturday? Let's go to regular candles and see what they show. Remember, Heiken is the candle that was designed for Market Cipher, or Market Cipher's designed around Heiken. Heiken candles, so much better than standard candles, guys. How do you learn about Market Cipher? Well, you can watch all my videos, or you can go to the Discord and you look up Market Cipher Tutorials tab. There we have introducing Market Cipher, the greatest indicator of all time. Winning every trade with the blue wave divergences. A couple other videos of me just breaking out on daily trends, whatever. Let me delete this. This is for trading view stuff here. You also have flopping gropers videos. how to trade 2 accounts and why. So that's where you go. A lot of new people in the Discord. My second long from your videos. Thank you. I'll be able to get Cipher for Christmas. Ernest of Gaia. Be careful if you're trading off my videos, please. But good job. What's going on with shitcoins, guys? Let's see here. Wow, ETH hit a green dot on the daily. When's the last time that happened? Last time that happened was during the big bear drop. And even look at this. Even when the shit was hitting the fan, green dots still showed bottoms. Remember, it doesn't mean they're the bottom forever. Just a bottom. Wow, look at this. ETH on the daily printed a red X filled with a red diamond. Look what happened next, guys. Guys, this is no joke. This indicator is not a joke. On the 30, looks like we have a nice little head and shoulders on the blue wave. We're looking at Ethereum. That went up pretty well. We have our anchor wave right here, trigger wave right here. Could have gotten in on that. Looking good for ETH. Yeah, I'll look up some other shit coins. They're probably all going to be the same thing, but we'll take a look here. We'll take a look here. Is this Cardano or is this? Yeah, it is. Okay. I like trading against the US dollar. I do not like trading shit coins against Bitcoin just because that's too many variables, way too many variables, especially with bot trading. If you have a trading bot, the last thing you want to do is trade a shit coin against Bitcoin. It will only lead to pain and suffering. You might be able to get away with it for a week or 2 weeks, but eventually you will have the pain. You'll feel the pain. You will feel the pain. I believe this looks like the same thing, right? Had your little anchor wave plus a smaller wave, then Sia. Probably going to form the same type of thing. On the hourly, the core of market Cipher, you have your anchor, trigger wave. Boom. Let's say you let it confirm for an extra hour. You had 1 hour to get in at 0.0568 to 0.0579. %13 move with no leverage. 10x leverage, that's 130%. You over doubled your money. Wow. And that's just within like a day. There's your ADA. Let's go to XRP. Let's go to shit or Ripple. Probably going to be the same thing. Same thing. All these shit coins are going through the same thing. You have an anchor wave right here, trigger wave right here, bada bing, bada boom, you're in the money. I'm thinking the zombie special will go on for at least another week. Bitcoin pumping up a little bit right here. Let's go back. Look at this. We're looking at a stock right now. Lift. Got your anchor wave. Little trigger wave right here. Big momentum to the upside, guys. When there's a small little wave, all the momentum is bullish. Momentum is bullish, folks. And look, it even tells you where the breathers are. Stocks are a piece of cake. Whatever cake you enjoy. Ice cream cake from Baskin Robbins. Those are my favorite. That's what trading stocks is like with Market Cipher. It's too easy. It's too easy. It's cheating. It's cheating. If you have any friends at the Schwab, at the Saks, you'll be able to outtrade them any day. Any day. The referral code is in the description, I'm pretty sure. The 3 minute looks like we have a potential. Money flow is still kind of overall decreasing. We have potential. You know, this could be a little bottom right here. We could be going up right here. Mini Chinese trumpet on the 1 minute. She looks like she might be ready to blow her horn. We got a little bullish cluster right here. Maybe, just maybe, this could be the beginning of a cluster, an alien cluster. Heading up into, hell, we're not far from 11,000s, folks. Got a little bullish divergence here. Got your anchor, your trigger. See ya. See ya. Actions speak louder than words. Trump has appointed many, many pro-crypto people into the United States government positions. What else do we want to look at, folks? Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. Tone Vase is trading alts, you say. I spoke actually with Tone Vase yesterday. I said, Tone, you want to give Market Cipher a spin? said he'll check it out. So we'll see what he says. I imagine he'll be positive on Market Cipher like everyone else. But you know us. We are an unstoppable force. I'd rather smile at you than frown at you. I'd rather be an ally and a friend. But either way, we are prepared for war. And we are prepared for friendship. So we'll see what Tone Vase has to say about Market Cipher. I think you'll like it. Let me know if you guys see Tone Vase if he's got Market Cipher on his stream. People will be like, what the heck is that? So I'm not surprised. Maybe I could do a lifetime Market Cipher access special of some sort. As of right now, it's based on a yearly membership.
Hi. Okay. Well, I don't agree with that theory, and I think that the G-spot does exist for lots of women.
If you have Market Cipher, please be careful in the Market Cipher discussion listening to other people. People tend to be a little more focused and tunnel visioned on smaller time frames. It's definitely popping off in there. Just please be careful. What do we have here? Look at here, folks. It's right in front of us. We have a potential kind of a trigger wave on the 5 minute here. Potential. The anchor's a little farther back than we normally like, but it is there. So what we want to know is this wave going to curve off or will it continue? So let's check out the 3 minute. Still got a little turbulence. The transaction flow is still kind of pointing downwards. Looks like our volume weighted average is still downwards. Let's look at the 1 minute. Yeah, so we haven't cut in yet, but looking for a wave here to close off, maybe for another potential sprinkle. It's in the description. The Market Cipher special is 20% off. Probably will be that for like the next week.
Well, I don't agree with that.
Can you do it?
For lots of women.
How's everyone's favorite shit token doing?
So it's cool either way. Okay.
Wow, talk about a shit token. You know, there's bullish divergence here, folks. I still wouldn't trust it, but I mean, this, you know, you never know, folks. You never know. There could be a little tiny wick. Someone give me a coin to pull up here, folks, or something. Give me something. What do you guys want to look at? Could be cattle, could be Forex. I don't give a shit. Steam.
Well, looks like we're at a all-time low for Steam.
Yes, puppy, I know. I'll feed you soon. But then you have to go poop. If I feed you, you have to go poop. Don't you? Don't you, huh? You know, we're on the daily. Looks like we printed a green dot on the daily on Steam. Looks like Steam has taken a steamy shit for the past good little while here. Looks like we got a little anchor wave, little trigger wave. Transaction flows going up. Steam looks rather bullish. Looks like a good time to, you know, if you're a Steam guy, things are probably looking pretty good if you're a Steam guy. Oh, do you mean BSV the coin? Probably. Yeah, we got a little green dot. All these daily green dots, I'm telling you. There's going to be, I think, there's a little altcoin run, folks. That's here, folks. I think all right, fine, I'll feed you. Alrighty. All these shit coins you guys are giving me is the same story. It's all the same story, folks. You guys keep giving me this shit coins. Every single shit coin chart is the same. Everyone is the same, guys. Maybe Tron will be a little different. Oh, whoops, it's TRX. Little different, but the same. Tilray. Talk about a big dump. Could be at a bottom here. possible long opportunity for Tilray. Whatever Tilray is that an oil drilling company? Weed company? Figures. Zenerba Pharmaceuticals. Oh, there's a little double top here, a little double top. Money transactions going down. Little bearish. Cut in, see if this is starting to cut off. Definitely wouldn't trust longing this yet, trying to catch this knife. It's possible she's still going in the red. Not looking good for Zenerba Pharmaceuticals in the current state. Guys, all the shit coins have the same chart. We just looked at like 20 different shit coins. They're all the same. There was something else someone said I wanted to look up for them. Lockheed Martin. No surprise, this puppy's been going up. About to be war times. 20% off is the zombie special. It's 0.08 BTC for 1 year of market Cipher. Follow the instructions below. Make sure you go through the email. Although these divergences still picked off the little correction. Every little correction, it lets you know. Let's zoom in a little bit on this Lockheed Martin. Did you look at that 6-hour printed green dot? Interesting. Wow, look at this trigger wave setting up right here. Woo, I would long Lockheed Martin. I think I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to long Lockheed Martin myself right now. Let me hide my screen just real quick, guys, just in case this window pops up here. Bear with me, guys. Bear with me. I'm liking this Lockheed Martin move. What are we at here? 357. All right. My Lockheed order is placed. I am long on Lockheed Martin. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Looks like just in time for the 5 minute for Bitcoin. For the sake of the stream, I'll sprinkle what I can sprinkle here. Sprinkle a little 20 thou on top, why not? I mean, all the shit coins we went through looks like they're going to be overall going up as well. I would just make sure you still use extremely low leverage because shit coins are volatile as heck. But we'll see. We'll see if we get a base hit here. If I mean, this probably might not be that big of a move. We've already kind of cut in rather deep, haven't gone up that much, but could be wrong. Could be wrong. I need all the new orders to please be patient. Please allow 12 to 24 hours for your orders to be processed and taken care of. If you sent 0.1 for Market Cipher and you didn't send the 0.08, the special's been there, you're out of luck. Too much. We are a extremely small team with a hell of a lot of orders. I have an E-Trade account. The music channel is Dark Monkey Music. Hit or miss sometimes, but mostly it's pretty decent. Let's take a look at our channel results here. Last 30 days, 4K subscribers. Damn! We should Market Cipher our channel. Let's see those clusters, baby. Let's see those clusters. Let's do it, baby. Looks like we sprinkled at a pretty decent sprinkle. It's the greatest indicator I've ever used. Took us almost 2 years. We've put almost 2 years of work into this indicator to have it where it is today. It's not a joke. It ain't a game. Changing lives all across the world. For real. Looks like we got some new profit log entries. Dear Diary, day 3, well crew paid for itself, 2x, still figuring out Market Cipher. Thanks, guys. 0.245 Bitcoin closes long. Way to go, Thumper. Nice name. Pack Surf, hopefully waiting for the right moment to take profits. Love the indicator. It's hard to see the guys up like 50 bucks. We got people of all shapes and sizes. I got top 10 BitMEX killers to single mothers, firemen, doctors, attorneys, trolls. Some hot chicks. We got a couple banging chicks in the group. I will look up your shit coin just because you've asked a couple times. Like other shit coins, looks like it's at a bottom, you know. In fact, last time there was a yellow X on the daily, it zigzagged, right? So this could just zigzag. But things are looking good. Things are looking good for crypto. We knew that, you know, for the past few days, there were signs that it was starting to turn bullish. We got out of the bearish zone into the neutral zone. Now we're seeing mark of the bulls. Yeah, you can just send 0.08. If you want to be added to the market cipher discussion, at least, I mean, you got to sign up under me. Unless you're under Zombie or Keith Waring and Bybit, make a new account. None of you should have only one trading account, or else you are greed locked between wanting to play the big moves and the small moves. You have one account for the big moves, one account for the small moves. It's going to double your efficiency, double your profits, most likely. Now, is it me, or is the content on crypto YouTube garbage right now? We're like the best YouTube content right now. Everything else is boring, mundane. Whale Crew's just my trade thoughts and entries and some exits and what, you know. Where I just publish most of the stuff I'm doing. Thank you, folks. Appreciate all you guys. Glad to have you here. It's not easy being a hater of Crypto Face. They have to keep their mouth shut so often. Very rare we make a big mistake. Interested to see if Tone Vase responds after. Tone Vase now has Market Cipher access. We'll see what his feedback is. Yeah, I mean, we just did a live scalp technically. I mean, I sprinkled on top. We added you know, a little order to the long when this crossed. Don't tell me what to do. I've showed plenty of my trades. Unless you want to deal with all the scammers and shitheads that come after me, which you're not going to. Don't tell me what to do. You know, our channel is raw. We don't have the best thumbnails. I don't have a green screen or anything like that. But at our core, we supply the most sought after demand. No, I don't really use the trailing profit stuff. I like having a little more control. Yes, Madrista. Although I recommend you still make another account. You can make your second account under me, have one account under him, one under me. You gotta have 2 accounts. You do not want to trade with 1 account, guys, especially crypto. You've got to have an account for longer term trades, one for bigger moves, one for smaller moves, or else you're going to gridlock yourself. Please do not use 1 account. Split it up equally if you have to. Do whatever you got to do, but have 2 accounts. I think Ichimoku is pretty much useless. That's my opinion. Others may disagree, but nothing compares to Market Cipher, just in my experience. Oh yes, tonight's UFC. For the betting crew, we do have bets tonight on some fights. In fact, let's double check this here. I might want to increase my bet on one of the fights. Yeah. I don't know. Should I put it out for free? The referral code's under the link. If it don't work, make sure you message customer service. Tonight, UFC. I'm taking Dan the Hangman Hooker against James Vick. Pays minus 150. I think it's pretty good. James Vick, I really like the guy, but he's a skinny dude that goes in there and gets his ass whooped all the time. So I got my money on Dan the Hangman Hooker. Hopefully these guys approve my bet. They better. Come on, approve it. Approve the bet. Might not get approved. Damn it, they denied it. That's so gay. I hate when they do that. Limiting my bets. These guys are trying to limit my bets, folks. Dude, don't tell me what to do, man. I'm gonna talk about whatever I want, man. Don't tell me what to do. Annoying as shit, dude. Make your own damn YouTube channel. No, I don't use Steam. I'm not a shitcoin guy, really. Like I said, I have my own little shitcoin, which is Zcash.
Where's your toy? Give me this toy. Give me this toy. No, it's mine. Give me this squirrel. This is my squirrel, darn it.
I bet both Bitcoin and, you know. I'm not turning on the webcam right now. I'm not even wearing pants.
Give me the toy.
Yeah, the hardest part of my day is having to put on clothes to go outside. I actually have some errands I gotta run today, too. Thank you for the donation. Donations automatically go to the Market Cipher Scholarship Program. My car doesn't drive itself, but, you know, I'll peep my phone sometimes. I don't have a Target. Targets are extremely overrated. Targets do you more harm than good, in my humble opinion. We can have guesstimations, but we have a 12-hour and 8-hour green dot. This generally means that we're going to see a long-term up run, potentially to the 15Ks. That'd be my guess. Or 13. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, I had a terrible dream last night. This morning. And I thought it was real. I had a dream that Bitcoin dumped. It first dumped to 4,400, and then it dumped to like $200 for a second, and like was whiplashing back up to like 8K, then down to 2K, and I thought it was completely real this morning. I was like, oh fuck, our trades are so wrecked. I didn't even want to get out of bed. I was like, I don't want to get out of bed. Everyone's wrecked. I thought it was so real. I thought it was so real. And I was like, fuck, my trade got liquidated. And it lasted for like an hour. It was like an hour-long dream. And it was just a mega... Because Alessio, I watched Alessio's video this morning where he's like, we could be in a bear wave correction. And Alessio infected my dreams. And I was like, shit. The gaps were filled, right? So, for example, the CME gap is a bunch of bullshit. All the gaps from 3,200 all the way up have been filled. These gaps, all of the gaps in here have been filled from the decrease. So anyone talking about any gap from 3,200 on up is wrong. But the gaps from 3,200 down have not been filled. And so I was like, oh shit. Bitcoin finally came down and filled those gaps. And like I was okay because I've sold a lot of Bitcoin. But yeah, guys, I thought it was so real. I thought it was one of those dreams where it was real. And finally, like, I woke up and I was like, I grabbed my phone. I was like, Jesus, I need a, And I was like, okay, it's at 10,900. Yeah, in the morning is when like you're most sensitive, you know, to like dream stuff. But yeah, I had a dream that we dumped and we filled these gaps down here. And Tone Vase was king. Tone Vase. And like I said, I spoke with Tone Vase yesterday. And so he was fresh in my mind too. I was like, Tone Vase was right. So yeah, anytime you hear anyone talking about the gap, there's a gap that needs to be filled at 7,000. Wrong. The gaps were already filled. There is no gaps. No gaps need to be filled until we meet new all-time highs, unless they're talking about 3,200 and below. I don't want to hear nothing about no gaps. But yeah, I remember seeing it. It was chaos. It dumped to like, it wicked to $200. And then everyone just realized how vulnerable we really are to the Chinese and like how it's all a bunch of bullshit. I know, I'm so tired of hearing the CME futures gaps. Screw the CME futures. In the description below, Andy, are the steps it takes for Market Cipher. It is currently 20% off. Nah, CME doesn't control the price of Bitcoin. For those of you that are new, you want to see something cool? Let me show you something. Okay, we're on the weekly with Bitcoin. You see we have a green dot printed on Market Cipher A. Market Cipher B called the bottom on the weekly at like 3,200. The last time we've seen a green dot on the weekly was in October 2015. And folks, look what proceeded to happen next. This happened. And we had like 3 40% drops. There was one 40% drop. 2 40% drop. 3 40% drops in a row. Just bang, bang, bang. And I would not be surprised if we have the very same thing happen. Close, we're at a 35% drop here. But I would not be surprised, folks, if we come up bam, come up bam. Market Cipher ain't a joke, folks. The Chinese trumpet on the weekly played out. When we were just looking at this, we said this is a Chinese trumpet. The horn is gonna blow. And boy, did she blow. Go back to those days. Go back to my videos in June, on June 3rd. You'll see. Tone Vase is probably trading shitcoins because he just got Market Cipher yesterday. I guarantee you he is trading with Market Cipher probably right now. He might not be showing it on his stream, but feel free to go there and be like, Market Cipher, Tone Vase. Yeah. Chinese trumpet is just a pattern that Bitcoin has been repeating recently, where it makes a little trumpet, goes into a couple dojis, and then blows upwards. It is just a pattern. Yeah, Flores. But you should trade on Bybit. Make an account anyways. Are you sure Zombie's bearish? I haven't watched if he's uploaded the latest video. Yeah, Singapore and USA, if you're vacationing there, you need a VPN just for registration. Bybit doesn't shut down accounts like BitMEX did. I wouldn't worry if we even came back down and danced. I would not worry if we still dumped back down to 9K. I wouldn't be worried. I mean, maybe I'd be worried a little bit, but the 12-hour green dot, the 8-hour green dot, the 6-hour snake eyes, way too strong. Way too strong. Follow the instructions below, Andy the Weldersmith. Follow the process and be patient. Yeah, Crown's cool. Seems like a genuine guy. Dang. I wouldn't be surprised if we see some of the 11s, folks. You talking about the Fibonacci circle guy? Remember the Swedish Shuffle? We murdered this channel right here. This was the beginning of the Swedish Shuffle channel, where it broke out, came down, then broke out. This was like the first official Swedish Shuffle back in May, and then ever since then, Swedish Shuffles have been shuffling ever since on all time frames. You can keep orders open on Bybit as long as you want to. Of course, higher time frames always are stronger. Here we had a little 5-minute blue wave right here, so let's stretch this out and see. So if you let it confirm, you had anywhere from 10.926. This doesn't. I'm not necessarily like I said. I'm not shorting right now. It's uptrend. I'm long in bottoms. Looks like we're taking a potential break right here. The volume figure has decreased. It's the 15-minute looking like 15-minute. Yeah, the standard TA guys where they're constantly talking fast, like yada 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 about the RSI. What I've been saying is that there is small risk, major reward. The risk to reward ratio is nice. By the way, the market Cipher bot is coming soon, folks. That is right. The automated trading best bot that will ever be released will be released soon. And I'll put my bot against anybody's. I'll put market Cipher bot against anybody's. People are abusing the term high frequency. That is an abused term in crypto right now. I started trading in the 2nd grade. Wait a sec, that's a lie. I started trading in 3rd grade. price is still being discussed for the market Cipher bot. Still working that out. Yeah, folks, soon you're going to see me on stage. We'll be on stage wearing the mask with Vitalik and these other people. They're going to be talking about, oh, Bitcoin to 100K and this and that. I'm like, listen, folks. We'll be lucky if Bitcoin's in the 30Ks in 2021. That's the truth. All of you smart people talking about half a mil, 100K, 200K, you're all full of shit. 2021, 30Ks. Potentially. We can even be at 14K in 2021. Where, what, oh, it's Brave. Now, how do we come to this conclusion? How do we come to this conclusion? $20.21. This should be our range from like where we're at now to, yeah, in here. This is our range. This is the realistic where Bitcoin will be in 2021. Bullish case in the 30s. You heard it here first. We got a couple years to go, but you guys will see my prophecies are on point. They're on point. we nailed the dump. Everyone was calling for 15K Bitcoin. We said 4K, hit 3K. I also did say that we could hit 1,500, so I will say that. But everyone was calling me crazy for saying Bitcoin's gonna dump. What channel should I go on next, do you guys think? What YouTuber do you think should have Crypto Face on next? What do you guys think? The moon. Crypto Lark. Sonny ain't gonna have me on. I'd love to be on Alessio. Chico, me and Chico have talked before. I would love to do a collab with, I've already done with Keith Waring. I would totally do one with Crown. I would totally do one with Crown. The moon won't have me on because I've thrown a few jabs at the moon. Why don't you all go and ask then? On their live stream, say, collab with Crypto Face. I would do it with Crown. Absolutely, I'd go on Tone Vase. I would go with Lark. I don't know who Crypto Love is. I don't know who Crypto Love is. Who's Crypto Love? I'd go on Data Dash. Joe Rogan. I would be the best person to pick in crypto to go on Roe Jogan. I've had Martini on my channel before. I would do one with Mitch. Mitch is cool too. I'd do one with Mitch. I've heard of this Jacob Cramfield, but I don't know him. Yeah, I should go to lunch with Warren Buffett and give him the market cipher rundown. Be like, well, this is a good indicator. This is a good indicator. You know, sometimes gold is a negative currency. Back when to the standard. I have Ty Lopez's phone number. Can you imagine the Tron CZ people and what's his face with Warren Buffett? Didn't you say you were going to get a Tesla for the guy on Twitter and you never got a Tesla for him? Crypto is rat poison and you're the rat and the poison. I have drool hanging down my lip. Always, my bottom lip is always drooling. If I met Warren Buffett, I tell you what, we're gonna have a little competition here, folks. Tell you what. Do you think we should do a Market Cipher quiz giveaway? Where if you answer my trivia question correctly, you win Market Cipher. What do you guys think? Here's what we're gonna do. I have the question. The question is, if I am to have a meeting with Warren Buffett, I'm going to bring him a gift. What would I get him as the gift? Go. First person that gets it that I see. You could guess it and get buried in chat. First person that answers it correctly that I see wins. I don't want to see anything about oh, I guessed it and I didn't see it. Oh shit, here we go. Damn, someone already guessed it already. Shit, that was so quick. The answer has been guessed. The answer has been guessed. Stop. Let me go back and find him. We have a winner, folks. We have a winner already. Damn. We have a winner already. Let me copy his name. And we will reveal it. That was a quick one. That was a quick one. Let me type the winner right here. All right. Drum roll. The winner of Market Cipher. The question, what would I have gotten or will get Warren Buffett as a gift? The answer is a cane. And this guy won. See Koskaka. The answer was a cane. I'd buy him a cane. We'll do another one here, guys. We'll think of something else. Way to go, dude. Way to answer that shit. So, private message me on Discord. And then what I want you to do is on the live stream right now, tell me like the first 4 letters of your Discord username so no one tries to steal it. Yeah, I'd buy him a cane. He uses a cane. He always has his hand on his cane. Batching. I need a snack. My stomach is empty. Cocaine? That's funny. Way to go, dude. Way to get that question. I thought it was a good question. Apparently not. Let me think of another. Throw out some questions, people. What are some good trivia questions? don't have a hard date for the bot release. Just know that it's soon. It'll be soon. Let me think. I'm thinking. The name for the Market Cipher bot is going to be Cynthia. Correct. Cynthia. Price isn't decided yet. Yeah, the number guess might be but the number guesses are so hard to see, and there's always one or two people that are like, I got it first. Ah. That's why I say it's the first one that I see. If you get buried, it's tough shit. Yeah, maybe I can do like a random Market Cipher giveaway thing. Comment generator, that's not a bad idea. I would go on Data Dash. Guy who won the trivia question, what are the first 3 letters of your Discord name? Mr. C. Kosk, what's the first 3 letters of your Discord username, please? Not seeing it yet, bro. Please, can you verify our Discord username? There we go. Okay, sweet. Send me your TradingView username on Discord. I can't think of a good question. What gift would I get Trump if I met him? I think that might be a good question, because I think I know what I would get him. Is there a way to do a live stream random generator? Or, I tell you what we can do is if you guys go to one of my videos, tell you what, here's what we'll do. Comment on the market analysis zombie revelation, this video. I'll give everyone like 10 minutes to do it. And in the comment, say, like, I'm here for the Market Cipher giveaway or something. I tell you what, here's what I want you to say. I want you to say what you do for a living. Say what you do for a living. And the country you're in. I want to know what you do for a living, the country you're in, and that's it. So in the comments, it'd be like, I'm a plumber, and I'm in Argentina. In this video, major long zombie invasion, the zombie invasion video, market analysis, zombie revelation, cipher breakdown 719. In this video, write the comment, what your occupation is, in what country you live in. Don't type it in the live chat. Don't type it in the live chat. Comment on the video and like the video. And in about 10 minutes, we will do a random comment generator on that video. Guys, don't comment on this. Literally, are you guys joking me? I just said the video that says market analysis, zombie revelation. You gotta be kidding me. This video, not the one we're doing right now on the live stream. The major long, yesterday's video. Come on. We got about 10 minutes here, folks, or 9 minutes until we do the draw. The giveaway is Market Cipher. Go to the Major Long Zombie Invasion video, the one that has patience on the thumbnail. In order to qualify, you need to say what your occupation is or what you do for a main income and the country you are in. Market. Not cool putting in multiple comments. You're disqualified. I'm not gonna hide you from the channel, but that's cheating, dude. That's not cool. No cheating. If you have Market Cipher, can you get in Whale Crew? Sure. If you already have Market Cipher, you can get Whale Crew access. If you have both, you're shit out of luck. He's back, Danksy. Danksy, you're back. I see you, bro. Danish. Let me grab a snack real quick.
Perversity is the human thirst.
But it is someone much more powerful.
Oh, you know, the running away, that was rude of me. You'll be happy to know I won't be running anymore.
At first I thought it was the Emperor, but it is someone much more powerful. but it is someone much more powerful.
All right, let's.
You're missing out, you're missing out. Good God Almighty, I have a dream.
Music is from Dark Monkey Music. Dark Monkey Music Live. How much time we got left? Looks like we've got, what, 3 minutes? 3 minutes until we draw the winner. Market after, like, the 19th. We have people all over the world. Reminder, if you are a female, there is a special group in the Discord where it is a safe place where the females can chat. Message me on Discord if you are female and we'll add you to the groupie group where all you girls can work together. But I do need proof that you're a female, like write a little note, or for the most part, so we don't have any sneaky trolls that come in. But if you're looking for a safe space where you girls can work together and you can be a groupie, let me know.
The driving baseline.
2 minutes. We got 2 minutes left.
Baseline. Baseline. Driving baseline. Line. Baseline. She said. Baseline. Baseline. Baseline.
You have 2 minutes left. We're doing a Market Cipher giveaway. You have to comment what you do for a living and what country you're in on yesterday's video. Market analysis, zombie revelation. You got 1 minute to get your comment in.
Baseline.
A lot of comments. Wow.
Baseline.
All right, folks. It looks like it's time. Let's go ahead and copy this. folks, it is with my pleasure that we are going to change someone's life. Let's refresh it here to see if we have any last minute people. Are we ready? The winner of the Market Cipher giveaway is... Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be? 24 Market P. He's a sales assistant out of the United Kingdom. Way to go, 24 Mark P. We'll do one more. We're gonna do one more. Can't help it. Gotta do one more. 24 Mark P. Message me on Discord. You guys know once I get on a giveaway roll, it's hard for me to stop. Glad a sales assistant got to win. No, he put UK. Brits don't count. All right, folks, let's do one more, then this is it. One more, this is it. Let me go ahead and refresh. Let's refresh to see if we got any last minute people. We got 11 more people sneak in. One more. Here we go, baby. Denise Barnum. Oh, no, that's an old comment. Oh, that's an old comment. Denise does not win. Denise does not win. That poor girl. Hopefully she doesn't see this stream. Let's go ahead and refresh. Here we go. The final winner of the giveaway. Final winner is Cryptolian, a roofer in the United States of America. Cryptolian, congratulations. I can't do any more.
Man, I swear that she can get it. Bad bitch, get it. Man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Where they checking, man, I spin it. Where that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Where they checking, man, I spin it. Where that she can get it. And I swear that she can get it.
Guys, please don't message me with just random bullshit. Winners, please, Kryptonian and the Mark 24P guy, message me on Discord. No installments. Please message me, guys. Those of you that won, I haven't gotten the messages from you guys yet on Discord. Let me update the Discord link in the description just in case. Alright, Discord link is updated. We got a red X with the square print on the 5-minute and the 10-minute. Alright, fine. They have until 2:24 p.m. to message me on Discord. We have one person we're verifying right now. It's actually him for the Market Cipher giveaway. I'm waiting for him to verify. Cool. 24 Mark P, congratulations. Trading View username, please. Who was the last winner? Cryptoleon. You got 8 minutes, brother. But he could be at work, you know. He could be roofing. Okay. Cryptoleon. Message me on Discord with your TradingView username. Congratulations to the wieners.
Be free in a sec.
We got some banging chicks. You know, there's a lot of hot chicks, and the chicks that are in crypto, I'm telling you, they're like alpha females. A lot of them are smoking hot. Packer guy, man, if you're watching this, your TradingView name has been incorrect for a while. Packer guy, we need your correct TradingView username. It's been days, bruh. You paid for Market Cipher. Don't you want to have access to it? Make sure, folks, if you're new to Market Cipher, to go to the Market Cipher tutorials introducing Market Cipher, Blue Waves, a couple videos on Miana, Flop and Groper's Guide, how to use 2 accounts, the basics. Crypto Lion, message me on Discord, brother. I know they want to. Bunch of hyenas. Glad to add a couple new hotties to the groupie group. Always welcome. I do give special treatment. Guilty. There are plenty of indications, you know, on the blue waves, transaction flow and whatnot. I actually can't add red dots like green dots to Market Cipher B. It actually messes with the Market Cipher bot. So there's plenty of indications on shorting, you know. You don't need a red dot. Yeah, patience, it's fine. There's, like I said, the big move, there's long opportunities is going to be big. I believe that this is going to be an anchor wave, and we'll have some sort of trigger wave. Could be a little bit, but we're going to have a nice trigger wave. It's going to be our handle, trigger, boom. Resend an email. You may have gone into spam. I tell you what, Tourette mime. Message me on Discord. Your transaction ID and username and the email. 48 hours, you should have had it already. Tarot Mine, bro, you have Market Cipher. You've had Market Cipher active for quite some time, bro. So maybe try logging out and logging back in. But yours is active. Cryptoleon, Cryptoline, I don't see your message, buddy. I have not received a Discord message from you. Huh, I see. You're in the server. It should work now. Test. Weird, because you don't share a recipient. Disable direct message on your shared server. Huh. You might have something, let me add you here. I added you as a friend. Accept my friend request. There we go. Alright, now message me your trading view name. Bro, I need your trading view username. Folks, I believe we're gonna call it a stream for now. It's a good stream. I got errands to take care of. Appreciate all your support. I'm glad to have all you guys. We're gonna keep kicking ass. We ain't going nowhere. We are the unstoppable force, and we are going to take our seat at the table, whether they like it or not. If you're not with us, you're not necessarily against us. You're just not with us. See you later, guys.